Hey, what's going on everybody? Chad here, and I want to show you how quick and easy it is to use these test strips, the number one product that I use. We all know we have to keep that water clear all summer long, and you need something that can do it very, very quickly and very easily. So instructions come right on the side of the box. Unbelievably easy to understand. Take your test strip out, in the water for 2 seconds, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, out she goes. Get that excess off, and it's going to sit up here for 30 seconds. Now, one of the key things I really like about how this is set up is right on the side of the bottle is where your results are. So there's no trying to find a little piece of paper. You definitely lost it after a certain period of time. So very, very clear, very, very easy. So you just hold that test strip up after 30 seconds and it lines up with those different areas. So that will tell you what you need to do. So quick, so easy. Can't believe how easy this product is to use, and I hope that helps you out.